Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. So today's tutorial is for all my student subscribers, and today we'll be making this elephant mask. Now to make the mask, first you have to measure the face of the baby and then you have to cut it. We'll be making one circle, something like this, and now we're going to cut the ears. You first measure the ears by placing the circle, the face of the elephant, and then cut the ears accordingly, something like this. And after that we'll be making the trunk of the elephant. First we're going to draw the trunk and then cut it. Once everything is done, now we are going to make the eyes as well. Make a circle and then again cut it. And now we'll be sticking the ears with the face. Now to stick the face and the ears, we'll be first folding the paper, something like this. And then we are going to fold the ears as well. And then I'm going to make a hole at the side of the face so that we can tie our mask on the face. And then we are going to stick the ears with a hot glue gun. If you don't have hot glue gun, you can always use any other glue. So why I'm making this kind of ear and face, so that we can flip our ears, something like that. So it will give a little bit 3D look. And now we are going to stick the trunk as well. Make sure that you make one hole behind the trunk so that your baby can breathe. And now we are going to take another paper. I'm going to take this pink chart paper and we'll be sticking it in the center of the ear. And if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, you can always write it in the comment section below. And another one we are going to stick on the trunk here. Now the structure of our elephant is almost done. Now we are going to make the border with the help of any pen you have, any sketch pen you have, Posco markers or anything you have. By making the borders, you are enhancing the elephant, as you can see. Without the borders, it was looking just okay, and now with the border, you can see the change. And now at the end, I'm going to take a ribbon and I'm going to tie it on the mask. And at the end, I'm going to make these teeth with white chart paper. Just simply place on the face and see how exactly you want the teeth. And then cut it and stick it with any glue you have. So this is how our elephant face is going to look, and this is like super simple. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and you can see the performance of my daughter as well. And if you're new to our channel, do subscribe to our channel and hit the ring bell for the future notifications of new videos I post almost every week, and watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.